What's up, guys? Super here again, and I just recorded an episode, and it was terrible, so I have to re-record this. I did put some stuff in even before I started recording. Okay, so I'll just go through and show you what I've added, and this code will be in the description, so you can just copy and paste it to, and I don't recommend that, but if that's what you want to do, then you can. So I'm just going to explain all this. I explained this in the last episode, the first episode. And yeah, so basically this just gives us the RPG thing. So I've just done an RPG. That will be in the description. And don't forget, in order to do that, you need the encode and ANSI. So yeah, we can also, I don't know if you know this, but you can do a title, and basically all this does is up here in the corner, it'll be zoomed in, it'll say Batch RPG Game, and you can just title that whatever you want. I just did Batch RPG Game because that's what I am going to make this. So we have our menu right here, so if they push 1, we go to load. I've added all this in, so load. I had a problem with this and I fixed it, so you need to go to load, or whatever you name this, and we're going to set some properties here. So we're going to set our health at 100, our enemy health at 30, our player damage at 7, and our enemy damage at 3. Also, our money is going to be at 20 because we're going to make a shop soon, so they can buy new weapons and probably some health stuff and like that. So basically, after you go to load, it's going to go to start, and start is our main menu. It says welcome to the game. It displays our health. This is right here, so our health is equal to 100. So health points is 100, and displays our money because our money is equal to 20. So it displays our money there. So if we push 1, we're going to go to fight 1. This is going to be our first fight, and we have some properties here. I'll explain this. But if we push 2, we go to inventory, and we don't have anything here yet. Store, don't have anything there, and 4, which is back. So if we push 4, it'll take us to the menu, which is right here. So it'll take us to this. Then if they want, they can exit, or if they accidentally push 4, then they just go back into 1 and go to this. And let's see. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna take that out, because if they go back, then it resets their properties. So we're not gonna do that. Let's change this. So we're gonna do an exit, and basically all we're gonna do here is type exit. It's that simple. And right here, let's see, our pause, null, so if pause, let's say press any key to continue, our null takes that away. So we're on 81 lines. That's absolutely nothing compared to what this is gonna be. And so this is our first fight. This is what it's gonna look like. I don't know why I did that, but so our fight 1, we're gonna clear the screen, so everything up there is gonna be gone. We're gonna do echo 2, so we have 2 lines down, and I'm just gonna echo that, echo dot, so we have a space in between these. And we're going to do our enemy health. This is going to display our health, and this is going to display our enemy health. But we want to make it so that every time we push attack, it's going to make the health go lower. So what we're going to do is just put a minus there, and a minus there. Okay? And all that's going to do is, it's going to say every time we push 1, it's going to equal our health minus the enemy health. So let's see. Let me minimize that. And so our player health is actually right here. So it's going to equal our enemy. Oops, spell it right. Enemy damage, which we added up here. This is our enemy damage. So every time it's going to be our health is equal to our health minus enemy damage. And we're going to do the same thing from right here. So player damage, and so enemy health is equal to enemy health minus player damage. So you could do Control S, and this is basically some menu, and you know, if they, this is just our simple, whatever they can, you know, whatever they want. You know, if they push 1, it goes to attack, push 2, they go back out. And whenever they go to back out, let's just add this in real quick. If they back out, let's go to start. Okay, so let's try that out and put it right here. So push 1, goes to start. This displays our money, and this displays our health. So we can go to our 1 is fight. So this is our first one. And that doesn't look right. So, oh, okay, I forgot to do something. So we're gonna set, we're not gonna echo this, okay? Take out the echoes here, and we'll do a set/A. And this is our enemy health. We don't need percent here because this is basically set A is our percent. Enemy health is equal to enemy health or minus player damage. So it's going to do, I think I added player health, or it's just health. It's just health, okay. Health right there, and we're going to do a set A again. Set/A is health. Okay, so that's perfect. Let's try it out. 1, 1. That's not displaying for some reason. Set/A. Player health is let's take that away. Our fight 1. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. So this is gonna be our, let's rename this to okay. I'm just gonna take all this, Control X to cut, and echo your health. And we're just going to do percent health percent, and echo dot echo enemy health is percent enemy health percent. Okay, and let's go down here, and let's take this, just add a new line and attack 1. So we're going to add an attack, and just paste that there if you've done what I've done. And if percent enemy health percent is less than or equal to 0, go to home. Okay, so if, you know, basically if we knock out our enemy, if it's less than or equal to 0, their health, then we're gonna go to not home, sorry, I don't know why I did home, start. Okay, and so that's gonna do that. And also basically, because if we accidentally went back to here and then to this, then actually, well, yeah, we could, but we don't really need to. Instead, we can move this up all the way at the top, but there'd be no use for that. So we're gonna go to start, okay? And we're gonna do a, we'll clear this up too. Pause. We're gonna do a null there. And let's see. So under here, we're gonna do a go to attack 1, and give me a minute. Gotta figure this out. Okay, so echo. We're gonna have this here. Yeah. Okay. So this is all good. Go to, if they push 1, we're gonna do go to attack 1, and if they do 2, we're gonna go to start. All right. And so 2 is if they back out, they're going to go all the way up to this menu. And if they do attack 1, it's going to go to this, and we're going to go back to fight 1. Okay, so once all this loads, it's going to go back to this, and it's going to display new stats. So, let's test this out. Make sure that all this code works. 1, displays our stuff. So our health and our enemy health. So we push 1, and go to attack, it displays, our stuff each time. And once it got under 0, it goes back here and displays our new health stuff. Okay? So that's that. So we can go to fight. And it's basically already under that. So we can add a, well, if we push 4, it just exits the game, right? Yeah. Okay. So I guess that's gonna be it for this episode. We've got our first fight in. Next episode we can add our fight 2, and then our attack 2, right? So we've got that. That's all for next episode. And this is basically a comment, these 2 colons. So let's do a fight 2 and a few hashtags just so we can get that as a little bit noticed. And this is our fight 1. Fight 1. Let's put a space there. Just get a lot of hashtags up in there. I don't know why I'm calling them hashtags because I'm used to. Okay, so we've got our fight 1, our fight 2. This is our menu. Just load all this in. Load. Just get a whole bunch of those up in there. And our main. Our start. Okay. Just for the sake of, okay, that's good. So this is our menu. Just got this. I'm just adding these so I know which is which. Menu. Alright, and yeah, so that's probably going to be it for this episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't, and I will see you in the next episode.